Hello, everyone. I just the music was so good that I was not willing to stop it, but it's time to have a chat with all of you. Let me quickly remove the banner. Hello, everyone. I can see a lot of folks active around both Twitch and YouTube. So welcome all. And how's the weekend? Exactly, no way we got the new music. Actually, I was randomly going around the library of the background musics and found it so cool that I was vibing all around the background. But before we start, please let me know if I am audible and visible enough so I can quickly go ahead and start with the opening ceremony. Before we start, if you're a first time hacker, please do ping in the chat so I can get the basically gave basic idea of how much first timers we have the hacker, because this is a great opportunities because you're gonna get introduced to both hackathons as well as the open source as well. Both are a very good way to get into the developer community as well as to learn a lot of things, because both of the reasons I've been very active here. Hi everyone there. I can see a lot of first timers here. Hi Edwig. Hi Spaces in. Hi everyone. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, but I'm trying my best. Hi everyone. Hi, new to MLH. Welcome, Prithvi. It's really great to see a lot of new faces in this particular hackathon. I am pretty sure that you will enjoy a lot in this hackathon. Oh, they are very first timers as well. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to. Let me quickly pick my sides up. Welcome to Open Source Hackfest. Before we start, uh, I guess there are a lot of first timers, so let me quickly introduce myself. I am Khalid. I am a coach at Major League Hacking. Coach are the people who can you see around in these events, whether it's an offline or online events in these blue t-shirts. Apart from being a coach at MLH, I've been very active in the community for the past 2 years. I consider myself as a hacker first because it been a lot of time. Being a hacker helped me throughout my career trajectory. Right now, for the very first time, is right now you are a hackathon that is hosted by MLH. We host these hackathons and these events every single weekend to ensure that you always have an event to attend. And we are always excited to have you. And this particular weekend, I am very excited to have you because this time we have a great theme that is open source. Each of our event has a theme, but of course, it's only for inspiration. This particular FPH or this particular hackathon theme is open source hackfest. This weekend, irrespective of wherever you are hacking from, we welcome you to join this event. As you know, we have removed the geographical barrier across different hackathons. I can see a lot of first time hackers. Welcome everyone. I'm really happy that I can see many folks active during the live stream. So since you all know that Hacktoberfest is around, and we invite you to learn and explore the world of open source through this particular event, followed by a great global hack week. I'll speak about the global hack week as well in this ceremony and this particular set of slides. This particular theme is to come together and develop new open source projects or interesting hacks using the open source software. You can build a ton of projects using the open source project softwares, and there are a ton of amazing open source tools available. You can make your project open source, contribute through these things, and maybe you can do a multiple things. If you are short of ideas, you just build your favorite hacks together this weekend. If you're short of ideas and you want to get started, please check out that hackp.ac slash open source hackfest slash ideas. There are multiple ideas being listed. Note that again, it's just for inspiration. You are free to create your own hacks. Feel free to hack on whatever you like, but focus on making friends and having fun. Try team building, try making friends, and make sure you have fun throughout this weekend and open source hackfest. Starting right now, MLHers like me will be active and online through all hours to make sure you are successful this particular weekend. You can come to us with anything. It may be questions, concern, or if you want to just to hang out, we are feel free to ping us. Talking about MLHs, me, John, and Emily are here this weekend to help you out with Open Source Hackfest. There's since again, it's very good information for people who are very first to MLH as well. What is Major League Hacking? Major League Hacking is a global hacker community. We conduct events, hackathons, global hack weeks around the globe. We are across the globe around different regions such as Asia, Europe, America. And when I say a global hacker community, I talk about more than 625,000 plus hackers just like you, hacking and interacting across the globe via Major League Hacking. So if you want to be a part of Major League Hacking, in short, you are already a part of Major League Hacking by coming and participating to the event, interacting, and just saying hi in the chat as well. There are multiple people across the globe. I can see someone from Africa as well. So by participating in major member events, global hack weeks, and MLH hackathons, you win community points for a year-long contest for the school. If you want to earn more points for your school and college, please reach out to different community members and encourage them participate in major league hacking events. Talking, as I said, there's a interesting global hack week coming. So hackathons are generally a 24 or 48 hours concept, but if you want something more, there's a week long event which is going to come, I guess, next week is a global hack week, and this hack week theme is around open source. So I guess it's a really good opportunity for everyone to learn. So what exactly is happening at, so coming back to this event, coming back to this weekend, so what exactly is happening at Open Source Hackfest? The next 44 hours are jam packed with multiple activities across different time zones. So I guess it will be a fun for everyone, and it's a lot of good learning experience across the event. I would suggest use this time to learn, share, and make friends. We have mini events, we have hacker hangouts planned for you all throughout the weekend. So make sure you are participating in these events. Join us for the ones that are friendly in your time zone. As I said, it will be in multiple time zones. So it will be very fun to participate. So what talking about the mini events, I can see many of beginner questions in open source. So learn more about the world of open source. In this particular mini event, it is at 10 p.m. IST. You can see all the listed different time zones on the slide as well. It will be a good starter kit for all the beginners in open source. We'll talk about history, terminology, etc. in this particular event. So make sure you join. Take a break from hacking in the Tetris tournament. Tetris is a game I still play. I've been playing when I was a child, but I still play this for a very long time, from a very long time, and it's a really interesting game. So we're gonna have a Tetris tournament at 7 a.m. IST tomorrow. You can see the different time zones listed on the slide. Make sure you join. We have hacker hangouts where we come and hang out with the community. I will also join here at 1 p.m. IST tomorrow. You can see the different time zones listed on the slide. Creative and effective readme. Making an open source project or putting something on GitHub or GitLab or any open source repository requires a good, effective documentation and readme. So I guess this is a particularly good session. You all should attend, and it would be a really fun and a learning experience for you all. There'll be another hack out at 7 a.m. IST on Saturday. Sorry, Sunday. Saturday is for ET time. Sunday morning, 7 a.m. IST. Please do join. Speaking of Discord, what else do you need to know this weekend? For those who don't know, that MLH hosted hackathons take place on community MLH community Discord. Discord is a place where you chat, collaborate, ask questions, and meet different community members across the globe. So if you are not on the Discord, please join us at discord.emulation.io. Once you are into our Discord server, head to the channels and role and select Open Source Hackfest. So the channel specific to this weekend's hackathon will be available to you, so you can collaborate with the people who are participating this hackathon. Also, let us know that you are here so we can send you a sweet swag from MLH or Major League Hacking. For that you need to register for this event at hackp.ac/open source hackfest. I've already sent the link in the announcement channel along with the open source announcement along with the opening ceremony link. Do check into this event at hackp.ac/open source hackfest. Check in, update your address so that your swag can particularly reach out to you without any hassle. If you already updated your address or before, there's no need to do that. So talking about the main thing, what tools are available this weekend? We have a couple of interesting tools available this particular event. I've been speaking so much. My Okay, no worries. So what all tools are available this weekend? Google Cloud is here with the best use of Google Cloud. By this category, you can win a amazing Google Cloud backpack. I have one of those. It's a really cool backpack. By registering, you can get a 25 worth of credits per account. You're free to make as many accounts as possible. The code for this weekend is OSH23. At MongoDB Atlas is here with uh, best use of MongoDB Atlas. You can win M5 Go starter kit. You can create multiple tools, multiple things on MongoDB Atlas. The best part is there's no credit card required to register. To more know about it, please refer to the link on the slide. The Fidelity is here with the best accessibility hack. Make a hack that makes things accessible, whether it can be a screen reader for people who cannot see, maybe it can be something, a hardware hack that help people understand, or that can be anything that can help people understand things more accessible. Win a Fidelity branded wireless charger by participating and winning the prize. Avanade is here with the best sustainability hack. Win awesome Lego set. Basically, you will have to bring something that is sustainable and it is good for us and good for the earth as well. So make sure you participate. Streamlit is here with the best use of Streamlit. You can win an awesome prize. It's a particularly good web application it's a particularly good tool that help level up your Python skills and build a beautiful web application. You can find more information on hackpiece/slash Streamlit. Kintone is here with the best use of Kintone. It's an amazing open source tool that can help you set up your backend in minutes. You can win a breadboard IoT kit in this particular category. Please refer to the link hackpiece.ac/Kintone developer license to get a free, or it's basically a free, it's open source tool. So you can participate here, uh, ba- participate in this and win an awesome breadboard IoT kit. Moving ahead with a quick recap of all the prizes available through this weekend. You can have a look and grab a screenshot. Anyways, it will be available on Hackpiece or Ashi on hacking this weekend. Talking about the prizes, particularly to the category, is make use of comprehensive documentation. Make a comprehensive documentation. Documentation is a great part of open source, and it is a really good thing you should particularly learn and effect. So it's a prize for this particular weekend: comprehensive documentation. Make your a complete hackathon, complete open source project. So it is in another prize category for this particular weekend. But your big question: what is a complete open source project? So a complete open source project is, it should have open source license, a README documentation, a README/documentation, contributing guidelines, and of course a code of conduct. Moving ahead, it's a quick. You can grab a quick screenshot of the summary of all the prizes. We have the first overall prize, that is a USB microphone. The second is a streaming webcam, and third is a gaming mouse. Anyways, all the information is available on hack.mlh.io. What else is going on this weekend? Let's have a look. If you are participating from American and Europe region, you are eligible to get a 2023 season mascot tee while the supplies last. It is available for first, second, third, and category prizes. So make sure you participate. I guess first, second, third prizes. So make sure you participate. It's a really good tee. So it is. I can see the mascot was really good. So make sure you make sure your address is up to date for all the Hackathons. Moving ahead with the MLH Fellowship. If you are interested more than a t-shirt, we are here with the MLH Fellowship, which is an internship alternative. It's a 12-week internship alternative program where you can learn production level skills, make open source contribution, and also earn a stipend. This fall basically sponsors includes people from Meta, GitHub, and Google. So you can learn from these mentors and even build a network, access to mentorship, and even land a job for this fellowship. So make sure you do check the link hackpeas.ac/mlh fellowship. And moving ahead, anything else I need to be successful this weekend? We want you to submit a demo. By demo, what do you mean by demo? Once you put a demo, you'll be eligible to learn basically earn a show off your hack and earn iDemo sticker. So what is a demo? Show off what you have built regardless of the progress. We don't want you to completely wait for your project to build a demo. We just wanted to you to show what you have built this particular weekend. How do I create a good demo? We want you to submit a 2-minute demo video. Show us what you have built. We don't want a set of slides. We want to see the actual product you have built in this particular weekend. The link you submit of the code should be a public code repo. Finally, submit the hackathon project at opensourcehackfest.devpost.com. I've already put the link in the announcement channel by 10 a.m. ET on Sunday. On a serious note, MLH hackathons are a safe place for everyone. We do not encourage any type of harassment or abuse through any form, through either Discord or anywhere. Remember, in digital hackathons, there's a person behind that computer and there are boundaries that exist. So make sure you do follow the MLH code of conduct. And there can be cases where a person is not replying just because they're not ignoring you, but there might be cases they're offline. So make sure you do consider this. And by participating in this major league hacking events, even if you're a sponsor, mentor, or a coach like me, adhere to accept the MLH code of conduct. Read more about it on mlh.io/code of conduct. If you face any kind of abuse or harassment or any kind of discomfort, please feel free to report to us. We'll be online all through all us across different time zones. If in case we are not available, please feel free to mail at incident@mlh.io. There are phone line as well. The number is available on the link. So make sure you participate and be encouraging and supportive through across different diversities and cultures. So let's keep in touch. Let's everyone know you're here hacking this weekend by tweeting us and tagging us at MLH Hacks and using the hashtag open source hackfest. My advice for you is team up and have fun. We encourage you to use the team building channel to find yourself a teammate or team in case you are hacking alone and you don't have a teammate. So feel free to use the team building channel. Hacking time begins now. If there's any questions and concern, there are a lot of chat here. I'll quickly go through each of it. If I have any questions, I'll reply. We are starting the live Q&A here, and post that I'll quickly sh- uh, put that music again and end the live stream. Could you describe open source and how a first timer can contribute and find projects? So for this particular, open source is a term which is used for that is the source code is available online and people are free to contribute. But if you want to know more about this open source culture and how you can find and first as a first timer can contribute, please feel free to attend a mini event. Also feel free to ask questions across the Discord as well. Wait, couldn't catch the second ML lecture. Who were they? John and Emily are here. They'll be available on their time zones. When will start the contributing? There's no start and end point for contributing. You can contribute to open source project as long as you want, as whenever you want. But if in case you're asking about the open source hackfest, this particular open source hackfest is a hackathon, so we are not technically asking you to contribute. We just want you to learn about open source and maybe learn about different tools and sets of open source. So if you're talking about Hacktoberfest, I guess it's starting on 1st of October. From when we can contribute, I guess I've already answered this question. GSW is next month. Technically, yeah, it's next month. So this weekend is ending on 1st of October. So it will be starting next month. Thanks for the correction. You must also organize mini events on some advanced concepts. For sure. I'll basically, this particular is some sort of introduction to, so we thought of having more introductory session, but I'll keep that point and pass on the team so we can have more advanced concepts as well. Let's go much. Yeah. Hi, Krish. I was really expecting Vinayak. We do send real stickers, so please fill on your address and check in. Tomorrow is my birthday. Happy birthday, Krish, in advance. There are a lot of new comments coming. It's now difficult me to follow on. Let me quickly find. I'm new here. How to find teams and start contributing. Matan, you can, if you want to find teams, particularly, you can use our team building channel on our Discord. It would be easier for you to. You can just go in the channel and particularly put in your tech skills. Maybe if someone matches, and they can quickly find a team. Moving ahead. Uh, it's really great to finally attend a hackathon. Already having good time. I'm glad you could really enjoy this hackathon. Feel free to put in all your queries in the Discord channel, and we'll be happy to help. I'm a newbie, so where I can find. Please feel free to use our Discord. There are a couple of folks who are already experienced. They'll be happy to help. We are a global community, so you can get mentorship from across different regions as well. Is MLH continuing the prepment internship program? I'm not sure about it. If you want to know more about it, please mail at fellowship@mlh.io. I guess they'll be happy to help. All right. Again, please feel free to add in your questions, and I'll be quickly ending the closing ceremony. And by the time we can have a quick round of music again.